guys, most of you know I work at home, and so I decided to cook ahead tonight before I go to bed so that I have lunch tomorrow and can have supper tomorrow night. So right now I'm cutting up my sausages because I'm going to be making chicken and sausage jambalaya. I've already prepared some celery. I've got some diced onions and bell peppers. So we just want to get this done so I can get it in my Dutch oven with the onions and let it cook. Okay, so I've got some oil warming. We're going to go ahead and drop in the sausage. I don't have any leftover chicken I can use, so I'm going to use canned chicken. My other chicken is in the freezer, but I have used canned before and it's fine. So we're just going to let this brown a little bit. The recipe says to remove this and then cook your vegetables, but I'm just going to go ahead and add them as well. Especially the onions. That tastes so good when it's cooked with the meats. And we'll go ahead and add the peppers as well. And may as well go ahead and add the celery. I'm going to add a teaspoon of thyme. Teaspoon of oregano. Just a little salt. A little black pepper. Okay, I want to let that cook just a little more. I'll put in some garlic. And now I need 2 cups of uncooked rice. That's a half. And 1. A half. And 2. Alright. I've got 32 ounces of chicken broth that can go in. And one 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. I'm going to increase the heat now to high and bring it to a boil. I'm going to go ahead and add another half of a sausage. I had two I needed to use up, and I'm going to use the other one with some cabbage. Okay, so now what we want to do, give it one more good stir. I'm going to cover it, reduce the heat to medium, and we're going to let that simmer for about 20 minutes. And I'll be checking on it, just give it a quick stir now and then. So now we're going to jump over to the cabbage. And I'm going to start out with the other half. While that's browning for me, I'm going to go ahead and dice up the cabbage. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start dropping in the cabbage. I just had a small head, so I knew I wouldn't need much of the sausage. It's also good with just bacon grease. That will cook down a lot. And you can use just some water in there, but I've got some more broth that was in the refrigerator that needs to be used. I'm going to go ahead and add some. And as this cooks down a little bit, I'll be adding some pepper. But for now, I'm going to cover it. Let's see. We'll just make this lid work. It's a little too small, but that's okay. It'll be fine. Taking a quick look at the jambalaya. It smells really, really good. Let that continue cooking. The jambalaya is done. However, I want to go ahead and leave the lid off right now so it'll start cooling down so I can get it in the refrigerator. And I will find those bay leaves and go ahead and pull those out. We still have the cabbage cooking.